A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will learn how to form WH questions in simple present tense. Another name for simple present tense is present indefinite tense. Let's look at some examples of WH questions. Why do people grow? Where does water come from? When do fish sleep? What does this word mean? Who do you sit next to? How does a mobile work? Notice that some of these questions have do and others have does. What is the reason? We know that in present indefinite tense, we use S with a verb for third person singular. Over here, water is third person singular. If we use a pronoun for water, it would be it. This word is third person singular. And if we use a pronoun for it, it would be it. A mobile is third person singular and the pronoun for it would be it. Therefore, in these three questions we have does. Whereas we have used do with people because it's plural, third person plural. Fish here has been used as a plural. You is second person and therefore we have used do. What functions are focused in each of these questions? Let's go over them once again. Why do people grow? We want to know the reason. Where does water come from? We want to know the source or the place from where it comes. When do fish sleep? We want to know the time. What does this word mean? We want information. Who do you sit next to? We want to know the person. How does a mobile work? We want to know the procedure. Now let's see how what, which and who is used in subject questions. What are subject questions? Subject questions are seeking information about the subject. And in these questions, the verb is not inverted. The verb and the subject, their places are not changed. Who knows the answer to this question? How will you answer this? Ali knows the answer to this question. We can see that the statement has the same structure as the question. Only the word who is replaced by the subject. Who knows the answer to this question? Ali knows the answers to this question. What makes it work? Electricity makes it work. Which fruit makes the best juice? Orange makes the best juice. Notice they have the same structure as their statement form. We do not invert the subject and verb in subject questions. Now let's practice. First, look at the diagram on the right. When do we use does? We use does with third person singular. She, he, and it. Number 1. Dash nails ever dash growing. Will you use do or does with nails? Yes, we will use do. Do nails ever stop growing? You can pause the video here, solve the exercise, and then check your answers. How many square meters of the floor do you wish to cover with carpet? You is second person and therefore we have used do. Do roots grow faster than stems? We have used do because roots is third person but plural. How much medicine does each bottle contain? Each bottle is singular and is third person. Therefore, we have used does. Do you have another design? You is second person. Therefore, we have used do. Does your tailor make his own designs? Your tailor is third person singular. Therefore, we have used does. Which spice does this bottle contain? This bottle is third person singular. Therefore, we have used does. How many times a day do you take this medicine? You is second person. Therefore, we have used do. What does this message convey? This message is third person singular. Therefore, we have used does. Where do you park your car? You is second person. Therefore, we have used do. When does it arrive every day? It is third person singular. Therefore, we have used does. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah.